Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into something that's a game changer for anyone working with CAD drawings. Imagine taking the complexity of engineering designs and turning them into a streamlined, easy-to-understand format. That's exactly what IrisX is all about. Now, if you're like me, you know that a technical drawing without its data elements is just a beautiful picture. But what if you could extract every valuable dimensional data from these drawings? Think about how that could revolutionize manufacturing, quality control, and even analytics. Here's where IrisX shines. It meticulously extracts and interprets dimensional data from CAD drawings. These aren't just numbers. They're the key to unlocking a whole new level of precision and efficiency. Whether it's ensuring that every part fits perfectly or keeping track of revisions without any confusion, IrisX handles it all. But let's talk about the real beauty of this technology. It's not just about data extraction, it's about understanding the significance of each element in your drawings. IrisX translates this data for a myriad of applications, turning your CAD drawing into a fully functional, dynamic tool. Now, I know what you might be thinking, that sounds complex, but here's the kicker. IrisX is designed to be user-friendly. It's like having a translator that turns technical jargon into clear, actionable information. This means less time deciphering drawings and more time innovating and improving your designs. So, whether you're an engineer, a designer, or someone who deals with CAD drawings daily, IrisX is your gateway to a more efficient and understandable workflow. Set your CAD drawings free and unleash a world of opportunities with IrisX technology. Trust me, it's not just a change, it's a revolution. And that's a wrap for today's deep dive into IrisX. If you're as excited about this technology as I am, don't forget to check it out and see how it can transform your work. Until next time, keep innovating, keep designing, and stay tuned.